must you not sit?
Where there's poo.
That's right. And why mustn't you sit where there's poo?
Because you will get all dirty. And you might get yourself on the current.
There you go, put that one on.
And you must ride really fast, otherwise you might crash.
You can ride as fast as you want, but bear in mind that if you do crash, it's going to be up to you to not cry.
Yeah. No, but how about if I cry?
Wait, careful. You're getting that wrong. There we are.
Wait, I can do it.
You can.
Look at it.
Oh, sunshine.
Well done. And then pull. Pull, pull. Is it tight?
No, it's not tight. Okay.
Is that tight?
Yeah, okay, bye. I'll see you next week. You said I can ride towards here.
Yeah, that's correct. And now.
And no, can just go from here now.
Okay. And he's off. How gorgeous this lady is. Come on. Come on.
I am not going through that again.
Totally going on YouTube if you don't smile.
It's going to anyway.
Okay, so we must come down there with you as well.
Yeah.
Okay. Go this way. Go around the box. Go around the box. Follow him. We've got to walk. Look at that bum. That is a delicious bum.